Vegas odds have you guys as the favorite. How do you guys feel about that? Can you handle the pressure?
This is true. This is Golden Fox. You want that golden trophy.
That should do it.
Oh, come on now. Get it. Get it. Come on. Let's go. Wow.
There you go. There you go. Look at that thing go.
Oh!
Yeah. There we go, Chris. Boy!
Oh, nice.
Ooh, you missed it.
You guys get that one?
Yeah, he's got all the videos.
362.
Winner.
Oh, thank you.
Nice.
All right. Let's see what you got. No smoke.
That's it.
You like that? You like that? Oh my God, don't record that.